Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about sustainable brands and more ethical brands. So this video, I've been a little bit nervous to do it because it obviously is a bit of a minefield and it's a topic that's quite hard to touch on, and it's very hard to kind of be aware of something, then not look like you're being ignorant as well if you're not like following through 100% with the topic. Please bear with me, this whole thing is a process. I'm constantly teaching myself about this topic and about brands that are sustainable. I'm just randomly popping in here because I wanted to say that I know that the most effective way to be sustainable maybe is to just not buy much and like limit your purchasing of clothing. I know that, but if you did want to know of some brands that you can like look towards, then that's what this video is for. Obviously I'm a fashion YouTuber, I have done so many hauls over the years, and honestly like I did not realise the effect that the fast fashion industry has on the world, on people. I've kind of been teaching myself more about it. You know, a big part of my job is showing you guys my outfits, new in items in stores that I'm really liking. I do hauls, I do trend videos, but at the same time as doing those things which I love doing, I am trying to get a bit better at more ethical fashion as well, and slightly slower fashion. It would be amazing if at one point I'm like 100% ethical. I'm not there yet, but anyway, I thought this video would be a really good place to start. And if you're like me and you're a bit of a beginner into this whole topic, then I thought it would be good to show you guys some brands that I've been looking at which are more sustainable, more ethical in the way that they produce their clothing. I didn't want this intro to be too long, but it does need a little bit of, you know, a little bit being said before I jump into the clothes. Also, you know, I was thinking of doing a haul video, but obviously the idea of like talking about being ethical and then also doing a haul, it was a little bit kind of counterintuitive. So instead of it being like a haul per se, I do have some bits from the shops that I'm going to be talking about. Some of these things I bought, some of them were actually sent over to me with no strings attached. I'm going to kind of chat through some of the items that I've got. I've also written down like a few points about what each store does to be more ethical. I really wanted to get something from Reformation, but it's so expensive, and I didn't think that items would arrive in time, so yeah, maybe I'll do that one next time. Here are some stores that kind of fall under the umbrella of being a bit more ethical. So first off, which is quite an easy one to find on the high street in the UK, Monkey, which is a place that I used to shop at so much more. I really don't know why. I love it in store, it's so like bright and colourful. And anyway, Monkey. From Monkey I got this coat. I saw this coat, oh my god, I'm so in love. Basically, I kept wearing one of Jason's old coats. It's like this big white like shearling one, but it's a men's one, so the cut of it is like very boxy on me. So I kept being like, I really want that coat, but in like a cut for me. Saw this one after searching for quite a while, and it's perfect. I love it. They do it in another colour as well. I think they do it in a brown. It's so fluffy and warm. It's kind of cropped, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh, it's so comfy. I got it in a size small. This is what it looks like. You can actually also get this on ASOS. That is what I have from Monkey recently. And I also just thought I'd tell you guys, you know, what they're doing at the moment. So, Monkey. So I got all this information off of all the websites. I just went on the websites, had a little look at what it says. All of their cotton is sustainably sourced. I think they either do or they're working towards only using recycled materials. They offer garment and textile recycling, and it said that their stores and offices are powered by renewable energy. So next I've got a piece from Nobody's Child. Haven't even opened this yet. They had some really gorgeous coats as well. One that is actually quite similar to this one. Maybe I'll link it down below if you're on the hunt for a coat like that. But for now I just went for this jumper because I thought it'd be really nice wardrobe edition, and I thought it would look really nice with jeans as well, like blue on blue. Oh, it's so soft. It feels really nice quality. I got this in a size small. Oh, and it's a really nice cut as well, because I find that if you're a bit shorter like me, then more cropped jumpers can be a bit more flattering. They control the entire production process. They kind of oversee each part of it. They dye their own fabrics. They kind of focus on creating pieces that go a bit longer than just one season. So, you know, they're not really focusing on super fast fashion and just like, you know, chucking out loads of clothes all the time. They're more about making sure those items last longer and have a longer lifespan. I thought that was good. That's another brand that I didn't know was a bit more sustainable. So I went into ARKET the other day, and if you guys watch my vlog, you will probably know that I went in there. So ARKET, I believe, is another kind of H&M company. I'd never gone in there before and looked around, but I went in and I really liked it. But I feel like it's quite like refined, it's quite simple, minimal. So a good place to go to for like staple pieces, but also they do kids clothing, which is really, really cute. Anyway, I didn't actually get any clothes when I went in, but I did get this. It's just their Geranium hand lotion. But because my hands are getting so dry at the moment because we're in winter, and I smelt this and it reminded me of the Aesop hand cream, which is so nice but so expensive. I've been dying to put this on my kitchen tabletop. I know it's not much, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway. But online is also really nice. It's a really nice website to browse. I looked on ARKET's website, but I couldn't. So I've heard that they are definitely a more sustainable brand, but I didn't actually see that much. Like, they hadn't written that much down on their website. So if anyone knows a bit more about them and like what they do, feel free to write it down below. It did say that it kind of ties into their whole aim anyway, which is to create like longer lasting pieces, to focus more on quality than quantity and everything. So next, this is a brand that actually got in touch with me. So there's a website called Noah V, it's a website which they carry a lot of ethical brands, like clean brands. So I think they do clothing and beauty, if I'm not mistaken, as well. They're an alternative to fast fashion. They handpick products from independent ethical brands. And I saw this brand which did such cool designs. And the brand is called Messara. Messara promotes self-love, empowerment and confidence. The brand sells ethical clothing, accessories, greeting cards, postcards and prints. They're all kind of like hand designed, if that makes sense. Oh, I love the feel of this. So I got this t-shirt. I thought that would be really, you know, just a really easy one to chuck on and layer with, or to wear around the house as well. I think it's so cool. Do check it. If you like prints like designs like this, check out her website. There are other designs as well, and they're really cool and they're really unique, and they're not things that you see everyone wearing, you know, on the high street. And look at this tote. I love it. So she does a lot of things like this. Oh my God, I love that. That's hilarious. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It is still daytime, but it's so dark outside. So next is a brand called Ceelo, and it was created, I'd heard of it a little bit before, I think, but I'd never like seen many pieces from it or anything. And the brand was created by an ex-model, and she was actually like an ex-Victoria's Secret model. An activewear brand, so they do lots of like workout clothes, like yoga clothes and things like that. I actually picked out these leggings trousers because I've got so many leggings, and I was like, I kind of want a baggier kind of workout bottom. So something I could wear around the house, or if I'm having like a bloated day in the gym, I can wear these. They look like this. They're so soft. So the prices of this brand are a little bit higher, but that does happen a lot, you know, when it comes to more ethical brands. They're putting much more focus into their production, into their textiles and materials and everything. The price can go up a bit, but you're kind of paying for more ethical standards. On their website, they said that they focused on mindful manufacturing. It says that they use newer non-toxic fabrics, a focus on high quality and caring for the environment. Okay, lastly, I've got a jeans brand or a denim brand. So they're called DL1961. They've got a really big selection of styles of jeans, actually. I was really impressed with it. And again, I hadn't heard of this brand before. I think they're based in America, but these didn't take long to come at all. This is one pair of their jeans. I don't think I've tried these on yet, actually, but I really like the ripped leg. I've got them in a size 26. This is the other pair that I have. I didn't choose these ones out, so these were like a second pair that they sent over. But with this brand, they had a whole section on their website just about sustainability and it has like videos of their manufacturing process and everything. So again, if you wanted to have a proper look at what they do, check out their website. So this brand uses solar energy and their own in-house power generation plant, and they use ethically sourced premium cotton. And that's my video on some more ethical brands that I've kind of discovered. So I hope you guys have liked this video. I really hope you like the idea of me you know, talking about more of this and on this topic a bit more. I feel like a lot of fashion bloggers and fashion YouTubers are, you know, it's going to take a little bit of time. I'm sure we all will adjust a lot more to like fast fashion, this whole kind of epidemic that's going on, because a lot of us just didn't realise, as much as most of the world hasn't really realised. We're trying to start to do our part for it, but you know, there's lots of other people within the whole clothing industry that they should hopefully be trying to do their part as well, and you know, consumers can do our part. I'm a consumer and a YouTuber, so there's different levels to it basically. But anyway, I've got to go. Oh, and I'm wearing Esthé's jewellery from her Daisy collection, which I love so much. I'm wearing the ring as well on this finger. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like if you liked it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.